Hi, Sharon here from Down Home Wicks. I'm here to show you how to make some inexpensive do-it-yourself wax melts. You can make these on the side if you make candles, or you can make them for yourself. You can sell these at craft fairs, vendor shows, alongside your candles. I make these and I sell a lot of these. A lot of times this is good marketing too. If people, they're not ready to commit to a full candle, they're likely to buy one of these if they're interested. It's only, I sell them for $1. They're 2 fluid ounces, so I'm going to show you how. So let's get making some melts. You don't have to put color in it. These are 2-ounce containers that you can get from your grocery store. I get them from Gordon Food Service. I don't know if there's one near you. You can also get them on Amazon. They're relatively inexpensive. I would prefer to put the money into the fragrance and the wax than the container, so that's why my containers aren't like super fancy. If anything, what I do is I use the cello bags from the dollar store, put some ribbon on it or something so that that they look presentable. But I put my money into the wax and the fragrance. And what I'm going to do, and I've already got this mixed up. All wax, as you know, or all candles, it's all done by weight. So what I've done is I've developed recipes so that I know, because I get all of my fragrances from a local supplier, Southern Sensations. This is what I'm doing right now. It's Butt Naked. This is a favorite one. It smells really good. I'll have to look up the ingredients to give you the exact scent. It's a very sweet, fun fragrance. I'll put the description below. Now, instead of taking each one of these little cups and putting them on the scale and everything else, I figured out how much oil is in fluid ounces so that I'm not scaling everything. But fragrances weigh something different. Like this fragrance is more dense than other fragrances. Well, this is empty. But say, for example, the patchouli is a little bit lighter than this. You want a 10%, on average, a 10% ratio of wax to fragrance. Now, if you put too much fragrance oil in here, they'll ruin the containers too. The fragrance oils will eat through a lot of these. If you buy, you can buy, I think it's number 6 or above. They don't break down as much. I prefer to use something a little more recyclable, because all you do for these, I'll show you, you just take the lid off, give it a little pop, and it comes out. Then you can cut it out and put it in your wax melt. These are recyclable. I don't like to use containers that you can't recycle. Once you start getting into number 6, and I think even number 7, you can't recycle. So I don't like doing that. To me, it's a big waste. But all you're going to do is, and I've already got this prepared, this is a 10% ratio of wax. This is 2 pounds. So basically, and you don't have to do that many. You can buy these fragrances. That's all I do is pour. And that's it. You can buy these fragrances in small 2 ounce, 4 ounce, 8 ounce. I buy them 16 ounces because I do a lot of these. They sell really well. This is all I do. And then I take and I make my labels, and of course these come with lids. I sell them for $1 a piece. And that's it. They're real simple. Don't overcomplicate it. I'm pouring these, as you can see. I don't have any gloves on or anything like that. Soy wax is safe for your skin. This is also on their labels. If you look, it says that it's, let's see if it'll focus. Got my autofocus on. I don't know if you can tell, but below the barcode label, they do put labels on there that let you know that it's skin safe. I've not had a problem even with the ones. Typically, anything that contains cinnamon, trying to think, maybe a ginger, those kind of fragrances have a tendency to burn your skin. So if you have anything that has that kind of a fragrance in it, with a cinnamon smell or a ginger smell, I'll double check, make sure it's skin safe. That's all I do. People love these. They're inexpensive. And I'm going to put lids and labels on them. That's it. That's all there is to it. They're real simple. So I'll see you next time.